You are about to save an enormous amount of time, space, and money with OneSource Document Management Service, the only database in the world that gives you instant access to thousands of manufacturers' IFU documents. OneSource Document Site is a subscription service designed by healthcare professionals just like you. We know that patient safety is your highest priority, so we've made it fast and easy for technicians to find the documents they need. Search by instrument catalog number, manufacturer, or description. It's that easy. With OneSource Document Management Service, compliance with Joint Commission, CMS, AAAHC accreditation requirements is only a few clicks away.
We purchased OneSource for a couple different reasons. One of them is staffing. We as sterile processing are being asked to do more and more with less and less staff or no more staff at all. One thing that takes a lot of time is trying to research all these documents, maintain the standards, to be survey ready all the time, to be inspection ready all the time. It does require staff time and effort and FTEs to look up IFUs, to find stuff, and to maintain those copies. With OneSource, I didn't have to do that. It was something that was there for staff can look with a couple clicks of a button versus ugly filing cabinets and phone calls and internet searches.
In 2009, the Joint Commission updated its requirements for their on-site audit, requiring healthcare facilities to provide the reprocessing staff with current manufacturer's instructions for use documents and demonstrate how to use them.
Our hospital has just recently gone through a Joint Commission survey, as well as CMS and actually the health department. One thing they actually ask us through their tracers, is which how they track an instrument through the whole entire process, whatever touches a patient, is do we actually have the IFUs on hand? They wanted to see them or a way to access them, as well as are we following them? So that was a very integral part of our inspection, and we passed with flying colors.
OneSource eliminates the difficult and lengthy process of going through binders or file drawers filled with thousands of documents. Having 24/7 access to IFUs with OneSource eliminates the frustration of an IFU not being accessible. IFU documents have many ways of getting to the hospital, but often do not get into the hands of the reprocessing technician in a timely way when they need them.
The big part is we also have several off-site surgery centers and different clinics that, again, is our clearinghouse for all our IFUs and our instructions versus maintaining copies at each site, which is a Joint Commission requirement. The big bonus for us is working with my nurse manager counterparts. When they order in loaner sets or different trays for cases, they were required to bring in IFUs. Well, now we can skip that step, thus giving them freeing up their time to take care of the patients. We handle the logistics.
OneSource Document Management Service's two unique databases bring the cleaning, decontamination, assembly, and sterilization parameters right to your fingertips. Our surgical instrument database includes IFU documents for instruments and equipment from within the sterile field. Our new equipment database includes documents for equipment that is wiped down, such as compression sleeves, pumps, and washers. Our database provides you with the manufacturer's IFU validated parameters for extended cycles as well.
With the OneSource documentation site, we always know we have the latest version of the cleaning and sterilization instructions, which may not always be found on the manufacturer's website.
OneSource is designed for your ease of use. Our tech-ready documents summarize IFUs, so technicians don't have to scroll through voluminous IFU documents to find the information they're looking for. The technician sees at a glance in an easy-to-read format the highlighted cleaning, decontamination, and sterilization parameters, which are color-coded. With features like our favorites list, you can save documents frequently searched, and a space to type notes for yourself and others using the database. A recently viewed button, which shows the last 100 documents viewed at the facility, our link to inventory tracking software such as SensaTrack, Alex Gold, or Microsystems SPM enables you to view both OneSource and the tracking information on your screen at the same time. One of the additional benefits of OneSource is that it can be accessed throughout the hospital, allowing multiple users on the system at the same time with unlimited access. From sterile processing, infection control, the OR, GI labs, and more. Even print and use documents for staff trainings or competencies.
A lot of our staff are certified through the ISHM National Certification, and we use OneSource as part of our training and annual certification requirements.
AAAHC and CMS also recently updated their requirements and asked that facilities show they are following current manufacturer's IFU documents. Our customer service team of experienced operating room and sterile processing technicians work continuously to update the OneSource database with current documents to further aid in compliance. And although we already provide more than 160,000 links to manufacturer's instructions for use documents, as a part of your service, we will provide any document that you request. We strive to provide the highest quality service at the lowest possible cost to our customers. Call us today at 800-701-3560 or visit us at onesourcedocs.com for a free webinar and more information.